Welcome back to Educatopia, where we explore the fascinating world of biology. In today's episode, we will be exploring specialized exchange surfaces, alveoli versus villi, and adaptation. So, let's dive right in. All cells exchange substances with their surroundings, but some parts of animals or plants are specially adapted for the exchange of materials because they have a very large surface area in proportion to their volume. Adapted or an adaptation means that the structure of a cell or an organism is suited to its function. In animals, two examples are the alveoli, air sacs of the lungs, and the villi of the small intestine. Diffusion is a slow process, and organs that rely on diffusion need a large surface over which it can take place. The alveoli allow the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide to take place between the air and the blood during breathing. The villi of the small intestine provide a large surface area for the absorption of digested food. In plants, exchange surfaces are also adapted by having a large surface area such as the spongy mesophyll of the leaf and the root hairs. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more content. Like, subscribe, and leave your questions or suggestions in the comments. Until next time, calm your nerves and focus on learning.